Hello everybody, I'm Dr. Nayana Khopde from Prana Homoeopathy Yoga Centre, Pune. We have come up with an integrative program for all your chronic respiratory complaints called Let's Breathe. Let's Breathe involves a detailed homeopathic consultation and treatment, our osteopathic and acupuncture sessions, yoga asanas for your chronic complaints, and of course, a balanced diet which will be advised to you by a dietitian. So, the idea of this integrative program is to help you build up your lung capacity and heal and breathe easy. So, kindly visit Prana Homoeopathy Yoga Centre and avail of this wonderful program in your journey of healing. Thank you so much.
Allergies are a hypersensitive immune response to a change in the internal or external environment of a person. Ingesting certain foods, inhaling or smelling certain fragrances, pollen, coming in contact with certain chemicals, pollution, change in weather, all these cause the immune system to go into overdrive, releasing certain enzymes or biochemicals like histamines, which affect the normal functioning of the tissue membranes lining different parts of the body like the eyes, lungs, stomach, intestine, which ultimately manifest as an allergic response or reaction. Oriental medicine views allergies or allergic reactions as the body's inability to adapt to the changes in the environment or surroundings. Acupuncture, which is a part of Oriental medicine treatment, helps to regulate the internal physiological mechanism of a person by regulating the flow of life force energy called chi in the system. This in turn helps to modulate the immune response to the changes in environment, leading to an eradication of the allergic responses of the individual, whereby the individual then we could say is healed of their allergies. Here at Prana, we have come up with a wonderful program called Let's Breathe, which is an integrated approach to treating allergies, incorporating homeopathy, acupuncture, osteopathy, yoga therapy, and diet and nutrition. For further details, please get in touch with the Prana helpline.
Welcome to our Let's Breathe program. Osteopathy is very helpful in breathing as well. So how do we correct breathing with the help of osteopathy? Osteopathy is again a holistic approach, and it's like deals with the soft manual therapy, means the mobilization of visceral structures and allow them to move properly in their certain limits. Like in breathing, the main muscle is diaphragm. So what happens sometimes, like diaphragm physiologically is not functioning properly. So in osteopathy, there are 2 or 3 methods by which we can correct the diaphragm function. The first is the local area, what we can release the diaphragm from the level of lower rib cage with the help of visceral osteopathy, as well as we can release the vagus nerve from the upper cervical junction, as well as we can release the phrenic nerve from the upper cervical C1, C2 and C3, the connection of phrenic nerve. So by releasing of these 3 areas, we can definitely enhance your breathing pattern and you will feel better after that osteopathy session. And like we can increase the chest expansion, we can increase the vital capacity of your lungs so that you can breathe in as well as breathe out properly. So osteopathy is not directly related with the proper disease or the proper symptom. It is directly related with the structure who are creating that symptom or the disease. So we are not here to correct your disease, although I can say we are here to normalize the basic physiology of the structures who are responsible for breathing. So once we correct the structures, automatically you can start with the normal breathing. So whatever the allergy you may develop, whatever the restricted structure you had developed, we have to pass through these restrictions so that we can better with your breathing. Thank you.
So hello, hi everyone. This is dietitian Prachi. We are very happy and excited to launch Let's Breathe, an holistic, program to deal with lung conditions, lung allergic and respiratory conditions. So we all know that diet and nutrition plays a very important role to improve our immune system, right? A system that helps us to protect us from diseases and also to help us recover, from diseases and infections in case we catch them. So COVID has already taught us, the importance and significance of powerful immune system in respiratory conditions, and we cannot ignore diet, nutrition when it comes to improving our immune health, right? So we at Prana provide customized holistic diet plans which focuses mainly on seasonal, local, functional foods, and we just help you to make your existing diet, existing meal more healthier, more antioxidant rich, with some easy, simple, wholesome recipes and some excellent tips. So we at Prana provide holistic, customized diet plans which mainly focus on seasonal, local foods, and we help you to make your existing diet much better with regards to more nutrient dense foods. We add more of anti-inflammatory foods. So we at Prana help you to design customized diet plans with focus on local, seasonal, functional foods, and we help you to make your current diet or current meals more nutrient dense, more lung friendly, more antioxidant rich, with introduction of some functional immunomodulatory anti-inflammatory foods, and thus that help us to prevent and protect us from incidence and evolution of lung diseases. So let's connect and get started soon. See you all and thank you so much.
Namaste, warm welcome. Asthma is a condition in which your airways swell and narrow. In this condition, it is very difficult to breathe, and we can't use the lung capacity up to the fullest while inhaling. With the help of some therapeutic yoga posture, normal yoga posture, and some cleansing practices and pranayamas, we can expand the chest consequently and resulting in the expansion of lungs, and we can improve the lung capacity and use it up to the fullest. There are some chest opening postures. Some postures are therapeutic yoga postures like Shavasana on pranayam pillow, Shavasana on the broster, chest opening with the T-brick, Setubandha Sarvangasana, Purvottanasana, rope on chest opening, and etc. Those who are flexible, those can do, they can use normal yoga posture for expansion of chest, Bhujangasana, Dhanurasana, Prushtasana, Marichasana, Chatushpadasana, and Urdhva Mukha Svanasana, like that. We can use also some pranayam practices, breathing practices, deep breathing, Anulom Vilom, Nadi Shodhana pranayam, and with the help of this combinedly, we can cure this problem very easily. Thank you very much.